What is up, guys? Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott, where today we're going to be unboxing a Nintendo Wii. I'm super excited about this. They haven't made these things in like 10 years. I'm really excited to get in here and feel what I felt, 10 or 15 years ago. So, let's dig into it. Let's take a look at the packaging real quick. If we turn it over here, it looks like you get the Nintendo logo up there. Yeah, you gotta have that. It's it's a Nintendo Wii. You gotta have your own branding, and then I guess ATI might be a partner or something. Sure, there's another side back there. Okay, yeah, we got some graphics on the box here. That's pretty cool. Probably just some information about the console. Okay, well let's start opening up the box here. I think there's a flap over here that opens up. Oh. Yeah, okay, yeah, it comes with a little coin battery. That's handy. You never know when you might need one of these. We'll set that off to the side. And it looks like maybe we can open up this front flap here. Yeah, I think, okay, yeah, that's coming open. And we can just take that apart there. And, okay, now we can see into the box here. I'm getting excited. Start to see things. We're not quite in there yet, but, oh, here we go. Yeah, alright. These, sure. These will pop out. Some strange packaging, but we'll put that off to the side, too. I guess this is loose. I don't know, is it maybe a trading card that comes with it or something? I don't remember these. Interesting. All right, and sure. Okay, well, I guess we just gotta pry it open. Yeah, there we go. We're getting in there. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Couple more pieces of packaging there, and there we go. There's your Nintendo Wii. I'm a little confused here. So I'm not seeing. Pretty sure these all came with a Wii remote and a copy of Wii Sports Resort, but I don't see those in here. I think this might have been unboxed before. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. I guess I'm going to see if I can try to get my money back from the seller. It was marked new in box, but it's clearly been opened before. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'll see you next time.